One how to tutors back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to change app language on QANDA AI homework assistant application. So first of all you need to open your app and log in, then tap here menu button, right bottom corner, and you can see here the settings option right top corner, and you can see language. So tap here and you will see here couple of language. If you know any language, then just simply tap here Spanish, and okay, then you can see here all the language will be in the Spanish. So this way you can change language, it's available in your language. So you can see here, so it's really easy to change language. You can uncheck it if you want. So okay, so actually this way you can change language on QANDA AI homework assistant.